In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the price Headley acceleration bands indicator in TradingView Pro. Quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have this indicator on your chart and know exactly where to find it and how to adjust it to fit your trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, really anything you usually analyze. Once your chart is up on the screen, move your mouse to the top of the chart area and look for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Indicators window, which is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and your custom scripts live. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into that search bar to activate it. Now start typing price Headley acceleration bands. You don't have to type it perfectly before results appear. As you type, TradingView will start suggesting indicators that match what you're entering. When you see price Headley acceleration bands show up in the list of results, move your cursor over that line and click it once. As soon as you click, the indicators window can be closed and you should see the acceleration bands appear directly on your chart, wrapped around your price candles. If you don't see them right away, make sure you're looking at the correct symbol and that your chart isn't zoomed too far in or out. Next, let's look at the settings so you can fine-tune the indicator. On your chart, hover your mouse over the acceleration bands label, which appears at the top left of the chart area. You'll see a small gear icon for settings. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. Here you can adjust inputs like the length or any default parameters the script provides. And you can also change the style, such as colors and line thickness, to make the bands easier to see on your background. Take a moment to set the colors and line weights in a way that stands out clearly for you. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click OK or close the settings window, and your customized price Headley acceleration bands will stay on the chart. If you don't have TradingView Pro yet and you want to follow along with all the features I'm using, you can use the sign up link in the video description. That way, you can get access to the same tools and layout I'm showing here and start applying acceleration bands to your own trading charts right away.